best of moves right now. Watch this. Oh, welcome back to the channel, me and Car Keys.
Send some money with him though. Drop him off. Need some piece of money or something.
Oh, speaking of that, Mark, a few days ago,
Now, Motivation Crew, that's me, that's you, that's what we do. I need you guys, in your honest opinion, put in the comments below, let me know. Did he do that on purpose? Watch it again. Now, it's probably hard to have an opinion on this matter because you weren't there. I was actually there. I have my own opinions. But if you watch the video again, it appears as if, not only did he cut in front of me, he actually hit brake as he was doing it, which leads me even more to believe that he did it on purpose. Now, my question is, I can't seem to wrap my brain around this. Two-part question now. Did he do that on purpose? And if so, why would somebody do that? All right, let me get a little closer to you guys here. Now, let me give a little bit of backstory on what just happened, okay? So there I was, Sunday afternoon, riding, minding my business, after church, on the way home, me and the family in the F-150. Now, I'm riding down the freeway and I see a black F-150. So clean, it looked like it had pretty much the same setup that I have. It was so clean. I caught up with the guy and I did what I call the triple honk. That's all you do, triple honk. That's my way of saying what's up. If I see you F-150s driving down the road or F-250, any Ford truck, if I see you riding down the road, I'm gonna give you the triple honk. It's kind of like the Jeep Wave, but we're not Jeeps, so we don't really do that. It's the triple honk, all right? Try it out. Trust me, it works. It's gonna catch on. So I did the triple honk. He had like limo tint windows. I couldn't tell if he looked over or not, but I passed him. He got right behind me and we drove in tandem for a good 2-3 miles. And I mean, it looked like we were together, right? It was a real camaraderie moment, two F-150s, similar setups, both clean, riding down the freeway. It was very cool. It was a cool moment. So we rode like that for a good 2-3 miles. At some point, I remember looking in the rearview mirror and seeing Alabama A1A 015. I saw him, he was probably like 5 car lengths back in the left lane, okay? I saw him, okay? I remember him specifically because I remember saying, oh, look, there's another F-150. And I was hoping he would get in line behind us and just ride along with us. So like we were just one big group who don't know each other, but we have one thing in common. We had F-150s. He didn't do that, of course. So I noticed at some point the black F-150 slowed down to get off on his exit. Cool guy, let's do it again sometime. Atlanta Truck Unit, join my truck club. So I kept driving on my way home, and that's when Alabama A1A 015 did what he did. Now, I can't explain why he did what he did, but he did it. Now, I try to give people the benefit of the doubt, give people a little bit of leeway. Atlanta is a kind of a tricky place to drive sometimes. There are a lot of weird exits and stuff that you don't know is there. But the simple fact that you were there the whole time on the left side in the same lane, and the minute you caught up to me, you cut over in front of me, leads me to believe that you did this on purpose. Why? I don't get it. Why? Now, at this point, my younger self kicked in, and I caught up with him. Pulled up on the left side of him, and both me and my wife looked over at him like this. Like, what are you doing? You know? And do you think he looked over at us? No. Which even leads me even more so to think that he did it on purpose. Now, I must say this. My current self said, all right, just keep on driving. After we did this notion and didn't get a response, we kept on driving. I'm highly against road rage. If you're out there in traffic, please be careful. I'm against road rage. Don't get as upset, okay? People do things like this, like Alabama A1A 015. There are people out here who do things like this on purpose. They wake up in the morning, right, looking for happiness, and their sole purpose of happiness is to take away yours, okay? So there are people that actually do things like this on the road on purpose, okay? Alabama A1A 015. It's one of those people, all right? So don't let anybody take away your happiness. Don't let anybody pull you into a road race situation. Don't let anybody make you upset. Like, it's gonna happen, clearly, it's gonna happen. But we have to learn to control ourselves, okay? Motivation Crew, that's me, that's you. Always stay positive. Just keep on driving. That's what we did. I know you've all seen these commercials. Mayhem, yeah. Alabama A1A 015, that's him. That's him right there. He's out there, okay? Keep an eye out. He is out there. Every single one of those commercials you've seen, that's what he looks like. That's him. Now, I didn't make this video to show that I'm upset about the situation. Now, this incident happened 2 days ago. We're pretty much over it at this point. But in the moment, I was highly upset. My wife was highly upset, and my kids were actually scared because, like I say, it's a trauma incident, okay? Especially if you consider things that happened recently, the accident that my wife got in. You understand what I'm saying? So we were really upset because somebody did something like that. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to, number one, warn you about Alabama A1A015, aka Mayhem, and people like him that are on the roads and that are just driving around freely like they did nothing wrong. Number one. Number two, I made this video to tell you to get a dash cam right now. Right now, just drop whatever you're doing and get a dash cam. Well, after you finish watching this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Go get you a dash cam. Now, I'm not trying to sell you anything specifically. I'm gonna tell you exactly what dash cam I have. This is the Next Base Pico dash cam. I actually did an install of this dash cam, thankfully, a couple weeks ago. But I'm not trying to sell you a particular dash cam, a particular product. I'm just telling you, go get a dash cam. I don't care what brand it is, what size it is, what style it is, what capabilities it has, does not have. As long as it records video and you're able to get that video from your dash cam, go get you a dash cam, okay? Now, if it was not for this dash cam, I could not tell the story. People would not believe me. I wouldn't have actual proof of the incident that happened. And I was able to pull all this video from my dash cam very easily, very simple. Just had to be connected to Wi-Fi and I'm good to go. This is my dash camera right here. This is the Next Base Pico. This is the dash cam that I was using, or that I am using. Dash camera that I got all the footage from right here. Now, what I like about this camera is that it's really small, really inconspicuous, but you can see that it's there. So if anything happens, it's right there, all right? And it's not gonna block your field of vision. If you look from this angle as the driver, you can barely see that it's even there. Now, what's also good about this dash cam is that it records in 1 minute increments. So let's say for right now, it is 2:02. From 2:02, it records in 60-second increments. It's probably a better way to say it. So from 2:02 to 2:03 is one video. From 2:03 to 2:04 is another video. And it literally records at minute increments as long as the dash cam's on, which is really cool because you can go back and get specific situations and you can get that footage if you need it, or you can get multiple ones and put them together as one big video. However you want to do it, it's right there for you. Now, this dash cam does record in 2K, which, as you see, is very clear because I can see his license tag number, A1A, Alabama, A1A015. If you're in the Southeast, Georgia, Alabama, if you're in the United States, if you're on Earth, well, everybody's on Earth, okay. If you're on Earth and you see Alabama, A1A015, keep an eye on him because he's gonna do this to you, okay? Whew, it is hot in there. So that is my dash cam. Like I say, I don't care what dash cam you get, what brand, I really don't care. Just get you one, all right, get you one. Now, as I was saying before, I always try to give people the benefit of the doubt because it could have been just a weird accident. I could have been his blind spot. He could have been at the last second like, oh, that's my exit, and just got over. Either way, he's wrong because you should have looked before you got over. I mean, there's so many options. You could have got behind me. You could have sped up some more before you cut over in front of me and got over. There's so many options here. So there's really no excuse for it, whether he did it on purpose or not, which, like I say, I think he did it on purpose because it's the simple fact that he caught up with me and then got, anyway, moving on, okay? Moving on, all right? Whole point of this video, get your dash cam, okay? Get one today. This incident further affirmed the fact that I need not just this dash cam, I need one facing the rear as well and one facing the inside of the truck. So that's something I'm gonna work on now, get one for the truck and get one for the Mazda because we need one for that as well. And we probably need that ASAP because people have been driving crazy. So this is not the first incident of something that happened to me on the road since I had this dash cam. I could probably sit here all day and show you incidents after incidents after incidents. Somebody actually did the same thing to me about a month ago. Same exact thing pulled out right in front of me. I'm like, am I just invisible or something? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. Motivation Crew. That's me, that's you, it's what we do. We stay positive no matter what. By the way, t-shirt is available on meandcarkeys.com right now. Get you one. Thanks for watching another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. Please subscribe, please like, please share your thoughts. Please share your thoughts. Put it in the comments below, let me know. What do you think about this incident? Do you have a dash cam? If you don't, what are you waiting on? Get your dash cam today, all right? Till next time, I'll see you.